Assalamualaikum, it's me Naya. Sebelum nonton videonya, jangan lupa klik tombol subscribe dan belnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mr. and Miss, I am Naya from P3A. Today I wanna tell you how to count or sneeze. Remember, you cannot sneeze like this or do this. Because when you are going out, the virus are follow you into your hands. So maybe when you do sneeze like this, the virus will come into your bodies, and the virus will make you sick, like coronavirus. So now I want to know how to sneeze. The true how to sneeze. So the first one you can do this. You take a tissue and then you do it. Because virus inside your body will come out and stick in the virus, and if you wash it soap, maybe the virus will die. And then second one, you also can do because the virus will come out and stay on your your clothes. And the third, you can also wear a mask. Then you do this. It's okay if you wear a mask and you do because later you will throw the mask into the trash bin, so the virus also go. And then remember one caution that I gave to you. You also cannot do like this. For example, there is your friend in here or some people, and then you are in the very much people, and then you sneeze like this into one of people beside you. The virus inside your body will go out and go to your friends. So I think that is how to sneeze or cough that good and not good. Oh yeah, one thing again, I forget to remember you. After you sneeze with the tissue like before, that you have to throw it faster into the trash bin and wash your hands with the soap. So I think that's it. In the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.